upgrading the YouTube channel, look and sound from this hello to this hello. Roll intro. Alright, so time and time again I've realized that enough Jamaican YouTubers, like, I think them really pay attention to how them background look or how them audio sound or anything like that. But this, it kind of hard to get certain things from overseas because like most of the YouTubers them are overseas. When you watch how them videos look, I'm like, yo, this does look dope. You see me? So everything is just like one click, bam, Amazon, yo, Prime, get it next day. For Jamaicans, you know, 2 weeks before we get it, or even longer. But I'm gonna show you how you can make a YouTube channel video look good and the audio sound good. You see me? There's quite a few things you probably have to buy on Amazon or eBay or anywhere else where you buy things online. There are some key things you need to know when shooting YouTube videos: lighting, sound, and visuals. You get me? So like how the video look right now, how it sound, and how you light it. Cool. So let me start with lighting first. So right now I'm using a StudioFX light with 4 bulbs. So you can change the brightness of the light if you want, just by like each bulb inside is what, like 60 watt. So and I'm using it in a Godox 120 centimeter octagon softbox. So the light can be very soft. It's not that harsh. So if I should tear away the diffusion on the light, this is what you're getting. Yeah, ooh, so much dust. But yeah, so the lighting is a must. Lighting is a must. It is very important that your lighting looks good, right? And for my backlight, and it is very important that you have backlight as well, you know, so the background doesn't look like, let me show you. The background doesn't look this is the background without a light. Let me frame this back, and this is the background with a light. So I'm just using a regular lamp shade and I use a gel over the lamp to give that orange glow up top. One click of a button and that's it. And I use the monitor as a backlight as well. So and I have a floating shelf that I got at rapid true value. So you don't have to go online. You don't have to go online for this, you know. You can pick this up in any, well, I'm not sure, any hardware store. I can pick this up in Megamart, Rapid True Value, or Price Mart. You don't have to go online. And I have some camera stuff on this floating shelf, so the background doesn't look basic. Alright, so that's it for the lighting. For the audio now, I'm using the Zoom H1N1 right here. So you're hearing the audio from that, but if there is a mistake or if you know the power go or something like that, because I'm pouring it manually, well, I'm pouring it direct, but because there's no battery in it, so if like gone, and everything is lost. So with the Zoom H1N1 2018 version, I would have to sync the audio, but it's cream, sounds good, very good. So for the color of your room, it is very important that the color of your room works well with your skin tone, because if it doesn't work well with your skin tone, it's gonna be off, you know. It's gonna be off, like yeah, because wearing a blue shirt and have a blue background, nah, it's fighting. I realize that enough Jamaicans watch a lot of YouTubers with white skin tone, and you're expecting to get the same look with your dark skin tone. That's not always the case. Just letting you know that that's not always the case. Cool. So you have to make sure that the background, the wall, the ceiling, because right now I have a white ceiling, so I can probably bounce the light in the ceiling, right? But I'm going to list all of the stuff that I used in this video down below. So if you want to learn anything else, subscribe, like, comment, and share. All right. Lights out.